How to manage permissions in Codex. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can manage permissions of your Codex desktop application. So first, launch your Codex desktop application, and once the application launches, simply click onto the settings option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you do this, you will see this menu popped up. Then you will need to click onto the settings option, or alternatively you may also press the control and the comma button. Now once you will click onto the settings, go to the general settings, and within the general settings you can see this permissions option. So currently it has three types of permissions. The first one includes the default permissions. This means that by default Codex can read and edit files in its workspace. It can ask for additional access when needed. So this is by default turned on. Then we have two of the other permissions that you can enable or disable, where the first one is the auto review permission, which means Codex can read and edit files in its workspace. Codex automatically reviews requests for additional access. Auto review can make mistakes. So if you wish to enable or disable this, you can do so using this toggle. And then we also have this full access. This means when Codex runs with full access, it can edit any file on your computer and run commands with network without your approval. Also, because this is one of the easiest to access, this is also the most riskiest. So if you wish, you can simply enable this using this toggle. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.